continue with this video, I just want to say thank you for all the support. We're still a small channel, but our Hypermeet video has reached 10K views, which is a big deal. We've only put out like 8-9 videos, and we're also nearing 150 subscribers, which may not seem like a lot, but it's a big deal. So if you do enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing. It motivates us to continue to put more content out there. Got anything else to add?
Nope. Going away.
All right, what are we doing?
Oh, okay. So we're going to be doing a version 9 EJ207 swap. You don't need washer fluid, right? You want to delete the tank?
Why don't you delete the engine? It's always a one connector. Oh, he's struggling.
Man, get out of the way. Well, these rad stays are definitely one of a kind. Rare.
Yeah, let's see.
Rare.
Yeah.
WRX swap rad.
One of one.
Rad's out, batteries out, the wiring, fuel lines, intercooler, downpipe's coming out right now.
I feel like I know a tool that would be nice.
One that doesn't fit.
I think it would fit.
I'd leave it on right. So that's what 3 inches to you. Clearly I know what your problem is.
You're compensating for something, don't worry.
This is the key to pulling that little plug out. Yeah, thread that in a few, you pull it out. Where'd you pull it? Let's pull it out. Let's just try. No, pull the engine, nothing like
Good on this side, the other side might need an adjustment. Well, I think it's solid, crunchy.
It's time to separate the transmission. Not many people approve doing this, but yeah.
This is sad, but happiness is coming. I'm truly gonna miss the rumble. I was ripping it. People were like, what is that?
A few inches later, one eternity later.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a lot nicer to put in there. Bags are going in.
Make sure you're on your side.
Bring your whole dog back right here. Yo, stop holding the bolt and make it harder. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh, nothing dripped out.
There you go.
Hey yo.
Oh, no way.
I was holding the car.
Oh, no way. And it passed the shake test, so I don't know.
Keep going, keep it going. Yes. Okay, a little bit more. Oh yeah, look at that. A little bit more. This transmon is trying.
Rust belt problems.
If you would like to lower the drop a little bit. Oh, you know what we didn't take out? The slave.
Transmission removed.
Made a little bit of a mess.
Trash.
Looks like we're parting out this car, I swear to God.
It actually does.
Alright, that's it.
We haven't taken out the dip yet. Got something else going in.
A whole rear end that is from an 04 STI. So you got the R180, beefier hubs, beefier axles, still retaining the 5x100 bolt pattern.
Oh, that's hot.
Oh, it's still hot. It's not like there's a gas tank right above it or something. Last bolt. Just making sure it's in neutral.
We're taking out 12 mils that holds this little bracket that frees up the parking brake. That way we can drop it like this. See, everything comes with the subframe.
Alright, you can jack it all up.
Jack it off. Woo!
Oh.
Just kidding. You're funny.
I feel like something is getting me caught. It's the trailer arms. I need a pry bar.
I feel it. I feel it.
Perfect. Yeah.
We've soaked these 3 or 4 times now, so hopefully it just comes off.
Look at that, brand new. So dusty.
Canadian car problems. So we're gonna leave that on for now, and we'll try to clean up the subframe without taking all this apart.
$1, take a sip.
At least it looks a little better, but Ash is still steaming.
Gonna hit that with some 415 as well. It's like a rotisserie almost.
Let me just quickly, safely move that jack.
Look what he's doing.
Get that out of the way real quick.
There you go.
Alright then. Alright. Here you go. Safety valve.
Let me get decent now. Oh, it's still leaking? This one is touching this one inside.
That's smart. I like that. Nice. So now what we're doing is we're taking out some of the arms. As you can see, this one's free. This one's been giving us trouble. I guess we have no choice. We have to cut.
I am gonna hit it with my purse.
Damn, even the purse can't do the job. That's crazy.
The purse said,
The purse said bring your wallet.
Wow.
That looks fun to me.
Let's run it.
We were about to.
Imagine.
No.
Ejecto Advan cards.
It's not easy to do one-handed. Oh my god. Wow.
fuck is that? Not even holding it.
This is how light the car is currently.
What's going on here? Bada boom, bada bing.
Got the Moog arms. We're greasing them.
SBC.
Yeah, just greasing them up. We don't want no more trouble.
Here we go. So here we bought is a fence post mender because it had all the right angles. We're gonna use this piece here and we're gonna use this piece here. This piece here is like for Ash later when he's at home alone.
Hey, don't expose me like that.
PEP. PEP.
Looks like we're running into a little bit of a problem. Who needs an intercooler piping? I'm kidding, who needs fog lights? So that is gonna have to get cut.
We're just gonna cut the whole thing off, like all the way back and follow that body line.
Probably up here too.
We don't walk around here. No problems here, dog.
Well, time for that part out. I'll buy your drive shaft bolts.
Dibs on the intercooler. Tearing up. You see the tears coming out of his eye?
He's crying right now. It's okay, Ash. We'll lay off a little bit.
Blood, sweat, and tears, right?
Whatever makes you sleep at night.
Axles are going in after we installed the hub and everything.
Just making sure that it's not gonna push out fully on the other side.
I just unwrapped it.
I know.
Oh my god.
Sheesh. Grease them up, Daddy. Sorry, that was gross.
Wait.
What out of pocket? Ooh.
David's just hitting a little rust here. While David works there, we got Braylon over here slaving away. Look at that work of art. Yo, what are you doing?
Slapping my shot. Greasing my knob. Why is it making that sound? Oh, the moment of truth.
Oh god! Might need a shave instead.
Oh baby, that's gonna be hot.
Yeah, that's nice. You're rubbing already, goddamn.
This is getting me nervous.
Watch, there's gonna be a leak right here.
Can you stop?
I'm kidding, I'm kidding. We forgot to keep bolts for the flywheel and the clutch. David found someone to get him some flywheel bolts and also some clutch bolts. He's out doing that right now. So I cleaned up the 4 that we have. I don't care, this engine is going in. Where'd you learn to do that?
Yeah, we're good there. You're pretty much clear now.
Taking out the dash, instead of doing a wiring merge, we're just gonna take the wiring harness from there. We're essentially taking that cart and putting it in here. We got the dash out, also taking out the HVAC. Engine harness is out in the engine bay, and it comes through around the fender and goes in on both sides. So we're gonna work on getting the interior harness out.
Buddy, that's gonna be hot. Chunky. Yeah, buddy.
Heater core is out, gas pedal is out.
I think we should swap the second half of the harness too.
Yeah, you can kind of see there. Yeah, there you go. Got majority of the wiring just sitting in here. Now we gotta plug things in.
All for these 2 stupid wires.
Butter, baby.
Oh wait, there's more.
We had to actually replace this plastic piece. We had to take this from David's car on top of Brendan's wiring, so that way we can mount it. We tried to mount the heater core from Brendan's car, cut some of the sound deadening because it wasn't fitting right, so we trimmed the plastic piece here. So we're just patching this up so the hot air goes to the correct spot. I like that. Forester steering wiring is different than the Impreza, I guess because they got like the rear wiper and other stuff on there.
Why does it look like wires are chewed? Mouse is like, oh, I'm hungry. Let's chew on wires.
Looks really good. David's gonna be happy. You can see how it curves along the hood now.
When you're on a budget. Sorry, when you've gone past budget.
So we're gonna use zip tie on that one too.
Yeah. Who in the hell designed this?
Nice.
Nice.
Brother!
Oh my. Got light going on.
Magic.
Oh my hands! I did put it down there last night though, before we went in.
Don't you dare.
Police officer?
Police?
What? Police?
The police.
They're coming. Oh, it's us. Well, he said that in reverse. He actually just said that in reverse. He didn't get out to talk, so it couldn't have been that big of a deal.
What do you mean? Officer was doing an engine swap. The Subaru. What do you think?
Something locked.
Okay.
might not work. That's not 6-speed starter. It's making me nervous.
Making me nervous. Technical difficulties. Oh, this is not comfortable at all. The things I do for the channel. Okay, I'm holding.
As manual as it gets. Sty carpet time. Oh, look at that.
I don't think it's supposed to work like that. Interior is also buttoned up. Transmission is all good to go and everything is bled. There you go, the lights work.
We are just testing.
Oh,
Holy.
I think it works. First place? 1454. Winner. Let's go.